My name is Aisling and I want to tell you about a brilliant artist who inspires me, my auntie Íde. Her work is on show in a famous art museum here in Cork called the Crawford Gallery. There's loads of fancy paintings and sculptures in this gallery, made by all sorts of famous artists, including my auntie Íde. You can see the colours she uses are really bright and strong, and I love the look of them. Hi, Dad.
Hiya. Hiya, Aisling.
When I come up to visit, I love watching Íde work and try not to bother her or interrupt her. Íde likes to use oil pastels, which are vibrant and super solid looking. Are you going to do another one? Wow. The lines she uses are really strong too. The way she makes them is really confident. It's like she never doubts where the lines will go or what her hand will do. Wow. I'm always curious about where Íde gets her ideas for what to make next. Often it could be a real thing, like something you'd find around the house, or sometimes she could get inspiration from a picture in a book or even a photograph. And this one is a typewriter, and I think this one is a sewing machine. But whatever it is, you can be sure it will be full of energy. This camera is my favorite one because all the bright colors and the black also makes the colors stand out more. Íde likes to work fast and she concentrates really hard on her work. It's well done. It's very good.
Good.
Íde always keeps busy, which is why I think she is so great. That's why Íde Ní Shúilleabháin is my inspiration.